AP Workshops, welcome to a little update. I'm sorry about the lack of films. It has been massively busy here at the moment, like hugely busy. Like, it's December, it shouldn't be this busy, so this is a massive thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate it. This is just a bit of a film to update you about where we're at. Couple of announcements and basically like a bit of an excuse, but I'm making excuses literally. But if you have a quick look through here, you can see our friend Robbo. He's put in some steels in. We're having the mezzanine extended. Big thanks to Mark Redbite this morning for reminding me about the mess in the workshop. We did talk to him about it. I hope you're well, mate. Thank you very much. But basically, the weather's been rubbish. The workshop's full, so this is just a bit of a film to catch up and just to let you know, look, we're still alive, we're still here, we're still answering your emails, we're still taking the orders on the parts and accessories system. Also, one other announcement. This is a massive, like beyond my wildest dreams, thank you to RST Clothing, ARAI helmets, Motul oils. We are now, and we can officially announce that we are brand ambassadors for Motul oils, ARAI helmets, RST clothing. So we are going to we're going to be sort of making sure that we get plenty of that exposure for those guys, because these guys are helping us in what we do. It is a massive thing. Obviously, we already sell their clothing. Have you seen my helmet? I've worn ARAI helmets ever since I was a boy. So since the 80s, watching Freddie Spencer ride around in his ARAI helmet. So basically, that's a dream come true for me. And like I said, Tom from Motul, he's helped us out along the years with the films. Joe from ARAI as well. Big thank you to you guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much to all you customers and all you people, all our friends, the AP fam out there. Just a massive thanks, and I think Snux has got a few words.
Yes, I have. Now, Griff said about his videos, I'm going to be cracking the whip tomorrow. I'll get away with that, can't I? Yeah, so we're going to have some new content coming. The website is going to be taking all orders of Christmas. If you want to treat yourself, we've got loads of stuff, little stocking fillers and big stuff if you want to get crazy. So yeah, have yourselves a good time, and thanks for your continued support. Thank you.
Santa's coming to town!
Santa! Oh my God!
If you keep your eye on the website, what you'll find is that you'll find basically that our opening times where the shop's going to be open over the Christmas period, so you can stay on top of that. But then once again, from us all, from Amber, from Snox, myself, basically, massive thank you for your support. Yeah. Massive thank you for your support. What we'd like to just do is say, look, if you want to get in touch, you can get in touch with us. sales@apworkshops.co.uk. We answer all of the emails first thing in the morning, no problems, as fast as we can. Massive thank you. You can call us at the shop. Anything we can do for you. Please have yourself a great Christmas. Take care of yourself. Be peaceful. Be blessed. Thank you. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.